I'm going into the car of my. I'm going to fix my car.
But at the same time, I like that they didn't make 80s here. At least so far. Parang hindi siya bad guy. Alam mo yung literal parang, yo, I'm just doing my job here. Alam mo, he's very statistics driven. He just wants efficiency.
Okay.
So I like that scene. And then, eventually, it's not naman a spoiler, but somebody dies without having to say anything. Somebody dies, and then after they go to the yung underworld processing. Parang siyang TVA of the MCU. Alam mo yung gano'n na parang they play like some old 40s, 50s looking video of, you know, how you're gonna be processed into the underworld. And ang ganda lang ng little touches nila of
so my dog is there.
But yun nga.
My cute dog
let's go back to what I said. Usually pag yung ganyan.
Look at me, I look like Boma without the glasses and long hair. Yeah.
Pero for some reason, it works. For me, wala ka namang ganun. Pero ako
please don't copyright me for saying yeah.
When they modernize it, I can almost imagine the writers in a conference room na parang, okay, how do we make the river Styx modern? Let's make it into a ferry. Like a modern day ferry. Yung ganun, yung parang like, I don't know.
Wait, hang.
Pero for some reason, ito gusto ko. Like, benta sa
and galing ni Jeff Goldblum. Like, alam mo yung...
You guys, ready?
He's better. No.
Never shown
really?
my parents what happened before, so yeah. There might be a part 2 because this might be too long. So yeah, I have to show.